Ganda ng dagat dito mga ka-therapy. Tapos may palaruan pa doon. When I need you, I just close my eyes and I need... Ay! Nasa ano pala ako? Line of danger line. Kailangan dyan lang. Lakas ng hangin. Paglakas ng hangin. Pati ang tubig. Hangin. Uy! Mukhang inipad ako dito ah. Ay mga therapy. Ay grabe sa lakas ng hangin. Going 6 months na tayo working in a ship at grabe mga ka-therapy, ang sarap ng experience. Kakaibang experience, kaya salamat talaga sa lahat na naging bahagi ng ating tagumpay na nakarating dito. So isa itong tagumpay no, na opportunity na dumating sa atin. Then salamat tayo kay best friend, si Ate Dina, na laging nandyan. Mga panahon na kailangan ko talaga, wala siyang pag-aalinlangan. Yan. Salamat din tayo sa lahat ating mga sponsor na talagang nakita nila na matindi ang ating pagnanais na makarating sa in-applyan nating trabaho. So, ngayon ay lumangap lang kami ng sariwang hangin. Check din kung may mabibili. Yan. Ang ganda ng tubig. Sarap ng hangin. Sarap ng araw. Nakakamis na araw. Yan. Sarap dito, no? Ang ganda. Hindi, may design siya, no? Nilalagay kaya nila yan dito? Bakit nilalagay yan dyan? La 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 la. No, diba? Floating. Tapos doon kakain. Ang sarap nun. Ang galing. Wa-care mga tao sa Pilipinas na kapayong.
That's also one. I want to go in here.
Diba? Sa likod ay mayroong nakatagong halaman sa likod. May bilihan dito, be. Oo, may bilihan dito. Nakalabas na ako dito. Napakarami na. Nice place, guys. Here in Ruatan Port. Okay? And we also have like this in the Philippines. I have a plant like this. This one, I call this San Francisco. And Bougainvillea. This is Bougainvillea. That one. Okay. And the park. Yan. Libot-libot tayo mga ka-therapy. Ilibot ko kayo ka-therapy dito sa Ruatan. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms. Okay? Dance with my father again. If I could get another chance, number one most relaxing beach in the world, travel and leisure. Now, then we're exiting here. Hey.
Restaurant. Hey, you just walking around.
You are
Just walking.
What's the plan? This side we got the downtown school this way. You want to check it out.
We came here before.
Okay, we'll come back again.
We know how to go there.
This is like the second home now.
Okay.
Very welcome.
Thank you so much. Oh, ganda niyan, Bio, no? Ganda. Hindi, maganda lang siya. Bag for 5. Ano? 5 lang.
Ano ba natin? Yan, dapat. Ano, yung kaya kang bata.
They could change my life forever. This is Honduras.
Gusto mo ba kumain?
Bigyan mo kakakain ko ng bibi, girl. Ay, ganda.
Kain na kayo dito dati?
Oo, kumain na kami. Wow. Ay, buto. Dance with my father again. Oh. I could get another chance.
Supply lang, albanela, coffee, lokal.
One oras.
Yeah, okay. Another. Yan. Therapy, syempre, may food dito na pwede tayong bumili. Tingin tayo kung anong pwedeng bilhin. Kasi Dito lang sa... Ice cream? Saan tayo ice cream? Dahil ko ng dollar, B. Tayo mong baon. B, ano mag-ice cream tayo?
Sige, sige.
Ano ice cream?
Yung isa yung brown. Gusto ko yung brown.
Saan dito?
Yung brown ba?
Saan nga baga dito?
Ayan na, brown.
Giga. How much the giga? How much the giga? The giga ice cream.
How much? This is ice cream, right? Huh?
Ice cream?
$3.
Okay.
Which one then? Good one.
Which one is the best? Which one is the best taste? Which is that? Which is that?
The good one, ice cream.
Which is the
This one?
delicious?
Almendra.
Oh. Which is the
Ito may
delicious?
almond to ata.
Almond? With almond? Pero siya kaintindi. You not speak English? No. That's
How
the
much?
problem.
This one.
We cannot
How
be
much
friends.
this one? Three. The same.
We cannot be friends because you cannot speak in English.
Then,
Ha?
ito sa'yo, ito akin.
Why different?
I don't know.
Why not the same? You get the same so we can get the same taste.
Kasi ang sabi ko para malaman kung masarap o hindi.
Yan. This two and one for me. It's her.
This is my ice cream.
This is me, mine. Okay? Why not speak English? So we can be friends. My name is Marife.
Okay,
I bought here last time. Remember? I bought detergent. I came here last time.
baby, binayaran ko na ice cream ko.
Your name? Hi, with me, Giovanni. Nice meeting you. Giovanni? Where's Giovanni? Giovanni. And you are? Your name? Swani, Giovanni, Amariella, and Anna, your sisters? Okay, so nice meeting you guys. Masarap?
Tamis?
Oh.
Masyado matamis.
Wala pa eh. Bye! Sarap.